Welcome back, young innovators. In this video, we shall see how to participate in Indian Robotics Championship powered by WitBlox. To know more about this event, download the WitBlox app from Play Store and check out the competition section. So IRC is one of a kind robotics championship that will be held online and live. Anyone between the age of 7 years and 16 years is eligible to participate. You can be of any school or country. IRC is open for all young innovators. To participate, download the WitBlox app from Google Play Store. Log in and click on the competition section. Here you will find all the latest updates of IRC, the rule book and other details. Click on participate. You will next see a short introduction video of the event. After the video, click next. A new page opens where you will find the register now button. Fill the registration form with as much as details as possible and pay the registration fee. Once your registration is complete, you will receive a confirmation email. Within few days, you will receive an IRC track which you must care. You will use this track for both practicing your robot and also for competing on the day of event. Do remember not to tamper or alter the track that may benefit your robot's performance. It may lead to penalties or even disqualification. Within next few days, you will receive another email to confirm your slot for the event. Just confirm your slot and get ready to perform on the day of event. For all other details, check out the competition section of WitBlox app. All the best.